In this section of the SolidPlant 2014 demo, I'll be showing you the SolidPlant Spec Creator. The Spec Creator is used to create a virtual bucket of parts from available catalogs and according to certain criteria that you specify. SolidPlant then uses your specification to select the correct components when you are creating a pipeline. Spec Creator is included with SolidPlant and installs at the same time, placing an icon on the desktop to run the program. The Spec Creator is a standalone program that can be accessed from the desktop icon or from inside SolidPlant using the button on the main SolidPlant toolbar. I'll click the button and Spec Creator will open in its own window. Here you can see Spec Creator has opened and we can see some functions across the top row. The new Open Spec button allows us to create a new specification or open an existing one. The second button is to start the new Spec Wizard. The other buttons add tables and catalogs and generate the final database of your specification. Across the bottom, we have tabs to show the catalog and branch editor. I'll begin by clicking the new Spec Wizard button. The new Spec Wizard has opened to its first page. On this page, we select the database for the specification. You can select one of the unit databases, metric, imperial, or mixed metric, or you can select a project and the specification will be created and added to that project. I have selected one project and we will now select a name and enter a name into the project. Below this we have the module list box. Here list the different modules. Each module contains different types of components for your piping. Most of your piping units are in the base module, but you can see we have cable tray, equipment, HVAC, plastic tubing, and other items in the drop-down list. For the purpose of the demo, I will go ahead and select the conduit module. We then select the next button and the select catalog page appears. Here we will add catalogs to our specification. As you can see, we only have the conduit catalog currently visible on the left. If we come down and check the All Catalogs button, we will show all of the available catalogs. And now we can select one or more and hit the move arrow, and those items will be added to our project specification. Then we hit next. And our select table page appears. In this page, we select the tables that we included for the specification. For the demo, I will remove all of those check marks and then select 5 of the most important ones. Once again, we hit next to show the next page. Here we begin filtering through the catalogs that we've added. The first filters allow us to set the size of the components that we will be including in the specification. And then, as you can see, schedule and rating and other conditions are available. If we would like to add more items, we can hit the column edit button and select any item that is available in the database. Here you can see I've selected a minimum size of 1/2 inch and a maximum of 1 1/2 inch pipe size. I've also selected a schedule and a rating, and I will continue to select a few more items. You can select as few or as many items from the data filter as you would like. By clicking on the Advanced tab, you can specify different filters for different tables that were specified in the Select Table page. Click just a few more things. And then we hit next. This shows our summary page with our name, our units, all of our data. We then hit finish and Spec Creator generates our specification for us, filling in the information. As you see, we had one empty table. We're asked if we want to delete it. We'll keep it. And there you have SolidPlant's new Spec Creator.